Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sorry YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn what is Java and where it is used. Now discuss about what is Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by the Sun Microsystems. Though it is associated with the World Wide Web, but it is older than the origin of web. It was only developed keeping in mind the consumer electronics and communication equipments. It came into existence as a part of web application, web services, and a platform-independent programming language in the 1990s. Earlier, C++ was widely used to write object-oriented programming language. However, it was not a platform-independent and needed to be recompiled for each different CPUs. A team of Sun Microsystems, including James Gosling and Patrick Norton, decided to develop an advanced programming language for the betterment of consumer electronic devices. They wanted to make it new software based on the power of networks that can run on different application areas, such as computers and electronic devices. In the year 1991, they make platform-independent software and named it Oak. But later, due to some patent conflicts, it was renamed as in 1995, the Java 1.0 was officially released to the world. Now let us discuss where Java exactly used. The first one is standalone application. Standalone applications are also known as desktop applications or Windows-based applications. These are traditional software that we need to install on every mission. Examples of standalone applications are media player, antivirus, Acrobat reader, etc. The next one is web application. An application that runs on server side and creates dynamic page is called web application. Now currently we are using servlets, JSP, struts, Hibernate, Spring. All these technologies are used for creating web applications in Java. So next one is enterprise application. An application that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications, etc., is called enterprise application. It has the advantage of high-level security, load balancing, and clustering. The next one is mobile application. An application that is created for mobile device. Currently, Android and Java ME are used for creating mobile applications. The next one is embedded system, games, robotics, smart cars. All are developing by using a Java programming language. So that's all about what is Java and where Java used. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends and also give comments. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.